Now we shall learn subtraction using number line. Here you can see that we have to subtract plus 4 and plus 6. So for subtraction, first rule is that we have to change the sign. So first write the first number as it is, then change the sign of minus as plus, and other plus 6 is minus 6. That is, we have to change the sign of negative as positive, and the rest numbers, that is plus 6, also as minus 6. Here it is, that is plus 4 plus minus 6. Now the rule of the subtraction is same as of addition. So first is that plus 4. It means we have to move to the right side of 0. Now again it is minus 6. So let me make you all remember that if it is minus, we have to move to the left side. So we will jump 6 times to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So here we are with the number minus 2, which is our answer. Now we will do properties of addition and subtraction. The first property is closure property. If a and b are integers, then a plus b is also an integer. Like for example, if we take two integers 3 and 5 and then added them, that is equals to 8. So if 3 and 5 is an integer, then 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8, is also an integer. The same is for the subtraction. If we subtract two integers, that is if we subtract 3 and minus with 5, we will get the value minus 2, which is also an integer. Now next come to the other property, which is commutative property. It states that if a and b are integers, then a plus b is equals to b plus a. Like a plus b, we can do like 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. And b plus a means just reversing the position, so which is equals to 5 plus 3, which give us again a. So both are same. But the rule doesn't satisfy but the subtraction doesn't satisfy. It's like if we do a minus b, and when we subtract b minus a, both are different. Like for here, 3 minus 5 give minus 2, and 5 minus 3 gives 2, and both are different. Now let's come to associative property. If a, b and c are integers, then a plus b, that is 3 plus 5, and then when added up to plus 2, that is 8 plus 2 equals to 10. But now in second place, we have just first added b plus c, that is 5 plus 2, and which gives us 7, and then added it up to 3, which is equals to 10. So both are same. Now next come to other property, which is identity property. It states that if a is an integer, then a plus 0 is equals to a. Like for example, if we add 5 with 0, we get 5. Similarly, you can take other example. If you take 7 plus 0, you will get 7. Similarly, for subtraction, as we subtract a minus 0 with a minus 0, we will get a. That is, if we subtract any number with 0 we will get the same value. Like for example, if you subtract 4 minus 0, what you will get? 4. Now look in the inverse property. If a is an integer, then a plus minus a is equals to 0. It means that if we take two integers, one positive and other negative, and then add both, we will always get 0. Like here it's given for 5. Let's try for someone else. Like if we have to add 4 with minus 4. So here it is 4, here it is minus 4. If it is having no sign, it means it is having plus. So plus minus minus, and 4 minus 4 is 0.